Got an E10 or E32 error on your Henny Penny fryer? Follow these simple steps, and many times you can resolve it yourself. Step 1. Allow 20 to 30 minutes for the oil to cool. Step 2. Make sure your fryer is filled with oil. Step 3. Locate the reset switch or red button, usually in the center underneath. If it's a switch, press and hold for 5 seconds. If it's a red button, press until it clicks. Once reset, your fryer will start heating and is back in action. To prevent E10 errors from occurring, ensure debris is cleaned and removed from the high limit bulb or capillary tubes in the vat. Filter on a regular basis. Make sure the vat is full of oil before turning on. Keep these things in mind to keep cooking and save on service calls.